It is an issue that hits really close to home for so many families, including my own. My 83-year-old mother has Alzheimer's, and she lives with me and my family. June is Alzheimer's and Brain Awareness Month, and researchers right here in San Diego are working to find a cure for Alzheimer's and to better the understanding of the disease. It's amazing that not much really is known about how it impacts the brain. Joining me now to talk a little bit more about that is Congressman Scott Peters and the Director of Programs from Alzheimer's Association San Diego Imperial Chapter, Anna Seda. Thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Representative Peters, let's begin with you. It's a very important topic because a lot of people like me in the so-called sandwich generation are dealing with aging parents and also raising a family. And it's important for people to know what kind of resources are out there. What can you tell us about what you're trying to do to inform your constituents of the help that's out there?
Well, it is true what a devastating effect it has on families. And I know my own mother-in-law is 93 and is still healthy in every way, but her brain has just been so devastated by this disease. One of my priorities since I'm coming to Congress is to increase what the federal government invests in research, particularly at the National Institutes of Health. When I came to Congress, I think the budget for the NIH was about $30 billion. Today it's $41 billion, and that includes over $3.6 billion for Alzheimer's and brain research. And those scientists compete then for those grants, and a lot of that work is being done right here in San Diego at the Sanford Burnham Prebys, at the Shiley Marcos Alzheimer's Disease Research Center at UCSD School of Medicine. So we're hoping to try to find a cure for this. And the demographics are against us. As people age and live longer, we're going to see more and more and more of this. It's not going to be just devastating for families, but it's going to be so expensive for the country. So we really want to be ahead of it, and that's my priority.
It is amazing. We have such great research going on right here in San Diego. Let's bring Anna back in to talk a little bit more about what is being done to help with Alzheimer's research. I know that the medicine that my mother is taking is the same medication that was developed decades ago. There really hasn't been a whole lot of advancement in that.
No, but we're really working with our local researchers. Dr. Brewer, you will see next week. He will definitely go in more detail about what's been going on here locally. But I also just wanted to bring awareness about June Brain Awareness Month and how focusing on your health and your brain can actually reduce your risk for cognitive decline. So we are very excited about that too.
A big question people want to know, especially myself. I see it happening to my mother. Are there things that we can do while our brain is still healthy that can prevent this from happening?
Definitely, yes. So research has shown that behavior modification, such as eating healthier, eating a Mediterranean diet, that helps, as well as exercising every day. Little bit counts every single day. And also making sure that you're socially connected to your neighbors, your friends. You reach out, you go on walks together, so you can be able to keep that brain active.
I know with my mom, we kept her isolated for the first few months of the pandemic, and I could really see her kind of slide. And now that things are lifting, people are vaccinated, she's getting out, getting more oxygen, getting more exercise. I can definitely see a difference. So that, that is really important to keep yourself healthy. We don't have to go into it right now, but I do want to say, because it's been in news headlines, there is some groundbreaking, potentially groundbreaking medication that is being looked at by the FDA. What can you tell us about that? Just a little preview.
Yeah, more to come on that. We are waiting for the FDA to approve that, or just hear word from the ADA on Monday, June the 7th. We are looking forward to that announcement, and we will definitely have more information for you.
All right, and tell me again how, if people want to Google it, how to pronounce that drug.
It is called aducanumab.
Great. Well, I have great hope for that. And I think a lot of people who have loved ones with Alzheimer's or dementia are also hoping that that can provide some relief as well. Representative Peters, Anna, thank you so much for joining me today. And I will actually be seeing you next week. And our public can actually join in a larger forum. It's going to be an hour-long event. Let me go ahead and show you about that right now. If you'd like to maybe log on and join the discussion to talk about Alzheimer's and Brain Awareness Month, a discussion on local researchers and breakthroughs with Representative Scott Peters. This is going to be next Thursday, June 10th, from 2:30 to 3:30. I'll be moderating that forum, and you can go to cbs8.com and click on the help button to register.